Guys, this is Carla's Minecraft episode 1. I'm sorry I first made episode 2, but that was just a mistake. Now I'm making episode 1. Okay? Alright, now neural build terrain. Be kind. As I say, I started in this cave. This thing is we just learn it from episode 2. So this is something. And I'm playing with my food now. Now, just like I said, we'll just learn my settings in episode 2. Because that was just a mistake. By the way, please subscribe to my YouTube channel called Carmichael. And so, if you don't know me, just go to youtube.com/Carmichael. You'll learn my name and my past videos with no subscribers. I was 4-year-old there. I was a 4-year-old boy singing, and actually, thank you. I only have 1 buttercup left. Oh, I can't do anything, but I can explain how I survived. Yes, this and that. My buttercup stuck in the hole. That is. Now, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And now let's get back to this. Now, and now I'm gonna show you the outside world. Never been outside. Oh my God, nighttime. We have to go. We have to go again tonight. We have to go to sleep again. We don't know how to make it rain. Well, the night, my face. Alright, now we are back. We are back, people. We are back. We are back. We are back tonight. Sorry about the lag. Because this is the old beta version of I only have 5. I have iron ore, but I don't have any coal. Man, you make a jump. Just check the chest. Diamond. Oh, here's my coal. Now, let's melt some iron. Yeah. Or anything that
nakita niya kanyang matinding pagsisisi, and in response to that, Jesus grants her the forgiveness she wanted. If only all of us would realize na lahat ng nasa ating galing sa Panginoon, if only all of us would accept the fact na tayo nagkakasama at patuloy na nangangailangan ng kanyang awa. If only ang panunod tumanaw ng loob ng lahat ng biyayang ating nang natanggap ay bigay ng taong may kapal. Brothers and sisters, we will love His love more than anything else. Today, sa araw na ito, is a day of looking back and recognizing those na
Right, I smelled in my iron. Now it's morning, but I can't open the door because I don't have a pressure plate. Oh, I used back home. So, what can we do now, as you said? And please if you like this video, please like and press that subscribe button. I like you subscribing to my YouTube channel, and please go to facebook.com, follow me on Facebook, type Carl Michelangelo Atlas, and now please like and the subscribe button, and like you subscribing to my YouTube channel. And I'm Carl, and I'll see you later. Peace.
Gusto na ni Michelle yun eh.